Alright guys, I don't know if you can hear me over the waterfall, but right now we are at the top of Avocat Fall. It is lit. Let me see how far I can take you all to the edge without me falling off. Yo, yo. Yo guys, what's good? Right now we're back with the island kids. We're trying to go to Avocat Falls. However, it is raining cats and dogs and we don't even know if we're going to make it up. But we're still trying anyway. And TJ?
So let this rain.
Told you I'm ready. Why don't you let me give you my love, give you my heart. Baby girl, it's steady. Want you already. I ain't gonna waste your time. Never pick the phone up. Whenever I hit your line, ring, ring, ring when I call ya. I'm still waiting. Never get to call back. I'm impatient.
Alright guys, so after walking about a whole half an hour on the wrong trail, we decided to turn back. And these guys waited for me here and I took a jog down another side. And good news is, we found the waterfall. Bad news is, I am bun. Let's get it.
Get your love, let me get your love. So just say hello. Let me get your love, let me get your love. Oh, why you gotta act like that? I'm just tryna be the one to have your back like that. Still got the 868 number, but you never pick up when I holler. Voicemails, blue ticks running after you. Had to get some new kicks like it's back to school. This ain't no puppy love. I take my time, no rush. You know I got you. I don't wanna break your heart, but